In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a shipping profile on the Etsy seller app using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. A shipping profile lets you save your shipping settings like processing time, delivery rates, and carriers, so you can apply them to multiple listings quickly. Now, if you want to create a shipping profile on the Etsy seller app, here's what to do. Start by opening the Etsy seller app on your phone and logging into your account using your email and password. Next, open your shop manager from the app dashboard. After that, go to Settings or Shop Settings, then tap on Shipping Settings. Now, select Shipping Profiles and tap on Create New Profile. Enter your processing time based on how long it takes you to prepare orders. Then, add your shipping rates, delivery options, and preferred carriers. Once everything is set, tap Save to create your profile. Finally, apply this shipping profile to your listings so your shipping setup is consistent across your shop. That's it. Creating a shipping profile on the Etsy seller app helps you save time, avoid errors, and manage your shipping more efficiently.